Ha. Ha. Let me see.
Oh. Did you get the footwork, Jordan?
Ha. 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 I say that 211 got a nigga feeling good.
Wasted.
I'm chilling now. Where you at? In the hood. And niggas know my name, Pierre H. And all them niggas do in the street is just hate. Come on, baby. I'm out there getting cake. I'm in the field, lasagna Garfield. I'm getting money, baby. I'm so crazy, baby. I'm on my ass feet up like I'm lazy, baby. You niggas crazy, cuz I'm in the block every day getting money like bacon when I'm baking, cuz I got them big bricks. I got them little chips. I got that little money, big car, big Vic. I got that big back. I got them tweeters in it. I got them 25 boats spinning vicious with it. I got them niggas like that. That boy gravy with it. I say I'm mashed potatoes cause I'm so gravy with it. These niggas say I'm crazy. I say no, I'm lazy. I said I gotta get money. My girl about to have a baby cause I'm crazy and I'm in the hood all day. I'm on Poplar Grove, Longwood all day. Come on, baby. I'm getting paid, moving yay, moving blow, moving coke, getting money, getting paid. I got my money machines on automatic. I got big guns, shoot them down, automatic.